Today, we're talking about how to adjust your video canvas size to fit different social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Let's jump right in, open the Inshot app, and start a new video project. Once you've imported your video and it's in the timeline, tap the green check mark to head into the editor. Now, down at the bottom toolbar, tap on Canvas. This is where you choose your video's aspect ratio based on where you plan to upload it. Here are some quick presets to help you out. 1:1 is perfect for Instagram posts. 9:16 works best for TikTok and Instagram Reels. 16:9 is ideal for YouTube videos. Once you pick the format, you'll see your video adjust on the screen. You can use two fingers to pinch, zoom, or move the video around to make sure everything fits just right inside the frame. When you're happy with how it looks, tap the check mark to lock it in, and that's it. You've successfully adjusted your video canvas to match the platform you're editing for. No more weird black bars or cropped heads. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick InShot editing tips.